Hey guys, welcome. This is Bobby. Welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube channel in 2020. Get more views, get more subscribers, and make more money with YouTube. So today is actually tip number 10, right? Creating a playlist. But before that, let's talk about tip number 9, recap, right? Tip number 9 was basically creating an engaging thumbnail because that will increase your click-through rate. And if you guys know the YouTube metrics and analytics, click-through rate is one of the important things that helps you with the algorithm. If you guys want more information on YouTube analytics, just comment down below and I can make a video all on analytics. Yeah, I'm gonna geek out on that. If you guys are number geeks about analytics, let me know down in the comments as well. All right, so tip number 10. So what you have to do is create a playlist, okay? So if you make a video, put it in a playlist, no matter what. And guess what? Another tip is one video can go into multiple playlists, not just one, right? I didn't get that until later on this year. I was like, oh, I'm going to create a playlist, how to grow your YouTube channel. But little I realized that one video could be in multiple playlists, which is awesome. And guess what? When you actually create a playlist, I confirmed this with YouTube and Google, right? That the numbers don't lie, guys. If you look at the analytics and playlists for YouTube, okay, if it's in a playlist, it's going to be 25% more viewed versus something that's not in a playlist. Why? I can show you because if you see my playlist here, right, I will actually tell you that once you play something in a playlist, it's most likely that the next video is going to be the next video in your playlist that's suggested. And that's the game, guys. You always want to be suggested. All right? So if you guys do have any questions about making a playlist, let me know. And guess what? When you actually create a playlist and put something in a playlist, right, it acts as you timing in to your work, clocking in, right? YouTube likes to see that you have a digital timestamp or digital stamp, pretty much your digital imprint that you did something on YouTube today. So to signify that you actually did something, whether you upload, you commented, and you created a playlist or put a video in a new playlist, that means you were on YouTube and you worked that day, right? Awesome. All right, stay tuned to tomorrow's, which is coming out on 11 a.m. Eastern Time, which is how to repurpose your content, all right? And if you guys know all about broadcasting your content, right? Omnipresence is what they call it. Stay tuned for tomorrow. All right, guys. You guys have a good day. Peace out.